Good evening again, folks. What we have here is a somewhat finished pumpkin crusher. Redid the electrical on it, so now I can just flip either switch. This is the master, and this will turn on the second one. So right now everything's off. So if I were to, this is for that other wheel, and this one will turn on when I turn that on. So basically, pardon me, I have that backwards. I just put this together, so give me a break, or a moment. This black wire goes to this one here, and this is the master for this strip. So if I turn the master on with everything off, the other motor will turn that does not have a pulley on it. Reason being, the belt I had on it snapped. As soon as I had a good load on it, off it came. It's very beat up. I wasn't expecting much out of it. But this is the original belt that I had on there. Oh yeah, it's twisted. Yikes. Okay. I need to fix that. Did not notice that. Let me see if I can pop it off of here. Nope. Good old screwdriver. There we go. Screwdriver always does it. So, we can focus down there. Try to do this one-handed. Okay. Let's put this on a little bit better. So we have it on a little bit. Switch hands. And we just keep turning the wheel. And eventually, yeah, it curls over like that. Okay, I see. Man, still. I just have it too tight, is my guess. And just try to spin her real fast. Okay. Wasn't exactly fast, but turning the belt slowly just so I can see how it's going. Make sure that V is in the right way. Okay, so far so good. Let's take the tools off the unit. My stuff's there. Okay, so obviously we turn the master on. The other one turns. No belt on it, that's fine. This one turns and is on. Step over here so we can see. Just a little bit of a gap. It's fine. If I were to turn the other wheel, still just a little bit of a gap. So here's a pulley. Sort of running whatever. I'm sure if I had a new pulley, it wouldn't wobble. But that's fine. I can deal with it. It's actually kicking up some dust. Sorry about that. Yeah, we can see yellow block's turning pretty good. Both sides. Turning pretty good. Everything's balanced real good. This one actually got really loosened up for the adjustable part. Once that white lithium grease got in there, it worked out good. But as we can see, I stand here by my drill press. there's like a little, very to none wiggle wobble whatever in the whole unit. Sweet, huh, Kenneth? Yeah. So, to make sure that these axles were level, yeah, with level, just for shits and giggles, put her in the middle. So, just to make sure that they were level, I had to shim up one side, good 1/4 inch, just that much. Same with the other side here. This side not so much, but the other side, see if I can zoom in. Yeah, it's grainy as all can be. But as you can see, there's a washer or two underneath that as well. One washer per side. But master switch kills it all. Or if you turn it on and just turn that one off, the other one's still going. As we can see, and it turns off. Now I got both pulleys to be same diameter. Picked them out, measured the OD, got them all nice and good. So now, find me another belt. In case you're curious how well it broke. Everyone likes to see carnage and damage. So it broke pretty good. Pretty expected. Belt's a piece of crap. But without buying new, use what I got. And what I got and have is this humongous ass belt. Let me just put it on the wood there. So I got that. Let me get the other one out of the way. We are getting confused. So I got one big old belt. I could use that. But I just remounted this. But wah, I got it, the motor centered up. So it's in line with the pulley. See if I can get it to sort of line up. So it's lined up with the pulley. And all I have to do is keep this side flush and just drop it down. That's tomorrow. I'm done for today. Got everything together, working out. Got the pulleys on, got the adapters in there. They're good. Show you the other side. Well, you really can't see it, but it's in there. And for the OCD people, yes, I have this here, and I didn't put one on here yet. I will. It's easy. Just loosen up these set screws here. Little set screw right there, and the other one there. Other side has the same thing. Loosen those up, slide the shaft over, slide on the things. Here's what they actually are. Get the other one out. So I just converted some big old nuts into some collar washer lockers. So save some more money. Drill it, tap it, make it happen. So obviously, as we said before, this is going to be interference. So either raise this up or notch it out like I said in previous videos, or you just have to trim just a little bit. So if I move it over really close, we can see how much of an interference it'll have. You know, so they were set for the other types of wheels. There we go. So, a nice backup view, as always, just to see this and that and all that. The camera focus, there we go. Alrighty, everything is mounted pretty much ready to go. Motors were dropped down some, same pulleys, same 14-inch pulleys on top, same ratio everywhere. Until tomorrow or next video, have a good night and keep crushing. Bye bye.